is over here. Hi, sweetie. Hi, little mama. I see you in there. Okay, here she is. This is little Dory sitting on her eggs. I'm going to open the back and we're going to sneak some babies under her. So here we go. Sneaky, aren't we? Okay. Opening up. Let me get the babies out. There's the little babies. Here's Mama right here. I see you. Oh, you're a good girl. Yes, you are. So we gotta put these 4 little warm eggs underneath her butt. And as I do, I'm gonna take out 4 green ones. Yeah. So now she has lift her butt up. One more. Get it right underneath her. And now we got 4 green ones. There you go, sweetheart. So she's got her eggs now. See, I've got another hen laying green eggs. And she's trying to hatch them. All right, Dory. Got her little heating pad there, too, so she's nice and warm. Chicken drama. All right, mission accomplished. So these are going to hatch on the 14th of October. Hopefully, if everything goes right. I'll keep you posted. Have a good one.